Thank you, Roy from Indian Fashion. I got all my items, everything intact, no breakage, everything beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I really appreciate it, and I'm still coming back for more business. As you can see, it comes in a container, well packed. I'm so happy, and I'm going to do more and more business with Indian Fashion.
I've just opened the box now. They wrap it, they package it very well. They use plastic box to wrap it, to pack it. These people are so good. This one is well wrapped, well packaged, and they are responsible people, and they are nice to deal with. So I will encourage people that are jewelry lovers to patronize them. They are in India. Their name is Indian Fashion.
This is so beautiful. It's just different and elegant. Honestly, I love the design. And this for a party. I like this one for a party. They're all just so nice, so beautiful. And I'm happy. I'm really happy. And I hope to get more of them. I hope to get much more of them. Thanks.
Thank you so much. This is really nice. I love it. Thank you.
Wow, this is really nice. Really nice. Really nice. Oh, beautiful. This is really good. Really good. Wow, rose gold. So lovely. Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you, Indian Fashion. I get all my orders. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Indian Fashion Jewelry. Still goes on with them. My son even talking under the ground. He loves the jewelry too. Thank you, Indian Fashion Jewelry. Love you. You guys are the best.